Hi, this is Tim Bost, the editor of FinancialCyclesWeekly.com. And we wanted to talk today about the Transneptunian factors in stock market astrology. The Transneptunians are hypothetical planets, and we like to refer to them now as factors rather than planets because of the potential for confusion with the bodies of the physical planets that we have cited. All of these planets were postulated back over 100 years ago and have been a part of more advanced astrological technique in some circles, but they are rarely applied to the realm of financial astrology. And what we're discovering now is that they have a huge impact on the stock market and on the ability to succeed as astro-traders. The Transneptunian planets were first postulated by Alfred Witte, a German astrologer at the beginning of the 20th century, and one of his students and colleagues, Friedrich Sigrun, worked with him in postulating these planets that occupied orbits outside the range of Pluto. And they seem to have a very powerful impact on astrology and on natal horoscopes, first trade horoscopes, and on the stock market itself, although, as I say, they've never been physically cited. There are 8 of the TNPs, as we call them, the Transneptunian planets, going outward beyond Pluto in orbits extending as long as 800 years to go around the Sun for the outermost, Poseidon. They are Cupido, Hades, Zeus, Kronos, Apollon, Admetos, Vulcanus, and Poseidon. And you can see here some of the basic indications or things that the Transneptunians symbolize. But in using them in financial astrology and in our astro-trading, we're less concerned with their symbolic import than we are with using them as factors which define long-term planetary support and resistance for the markets. They will rarely work to trigger specific events in the markets, but they can set up trend reversals when other faster moving planets align with them in our chart work. So they are important to track in our astro trading. This is a chart of the Dow Industrials over about a 10-year period, and what we've done is put in planetary lines in the first harmonic for each of the 8 Transneptunians, so you can get a feel for how they define support and resistance at various times. When we use other harmonics, of course, we can get a more refined picture of support and resistance using the Transneptunians, but this is the basic pattern that we're looking at to show their intersection with market trends. So as we work with the Transneptunian planets, we have a refined set of tools that we can use to enhance the profitability of our trading as astro-traders. And we go into a great more detail about the Transneptunians and how they can be used and some of the factors at work with their discovery. We're beginning now to realize that they may be in fact Kuiper belt objects and have actually been sighted. So as we work with this, we're getting a more and more refined approach to the use of the Transneptunians, and we cover that in some detail in the new program on profitable trading with planetary timing. And you can get more information on profitable trading with planetary timing by going to www.planetarytiming.com. I encourage you to take a look at that. This is Tim Bost with FinancialCyclesWeekly.com. Thanks so much for taking a look at this video.